With a shorter trading week, here's what you need to know. We got October's PCE, that's the Fed's favorite measure of inflation, and it came in as expected. Slightly worse year over year, but not enough to shake the markets. And shelter costs continue to lag and didn't show up in last month's numbers either. But real-time housing costs would bring us much closer to the Fed's 2% target. And the 6-month inflation run rate looks good, but the 3-month rate's closer to 3%, which is not good. And we got the Fed's minutes, and it was nice to hear a dovish tone, basically making it sound like rate cuts will continue unless something dramatic happens. And if the labor market weakens, the Fed did hint that it could even accelerate cuts. Signed contracts for existing homes were up 2% month over month, and that showed, that there's plenty of buyer demand despite high rates. Home values, we got Case-Shiller for September, which showed home prices were up a bit month over month, at least when you're considering seasonality. And then FHFA showed a gain even stronger than that, but that number does only measure homes with conforming loans. As far as jobless claims go, it was mixed. Initial claims ticked down again, but continuing claims hit a 3-year high, and that does point to some strain in the labor market, which again could get the Fed to speed that rate of cuts. We also saw income and spending both come in stronger than expected, and for the first time in a while, the savings rate actually improved. But the higher credit card delinquencies that we've seen, kind of contradicts the strength in the market. And globally, Germany and the UK are showing signs of recession, which has provided some support for US bonds. And now that we've got PCE behind us and, it was a holiday shortened week, markets kind of settled down a bit. And next week, we're going to get a big spotlight on the labor market with the December 6th jobs report. And that should really set the tone for the Fed's December 18th meeting. And I'll be back next Friday with another update. Have a great weekend and happy belated Thanksgiving.